So these white ones, you don't...
I don't think those are like ripe.
It's not yet ready.
Young, I'm talking about the size. If the size is good,
Huh.
you can pick it. This
Oh yeah,
If the size is good.
probably.
No, but is it like...
Oh, it's
Is
good.
it like dirty or no? Right? The white one.
No,
right?
it is.
Yeah?
What white one? Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, it's definitely dirt.
Yes?
Kuya, halika dito. I'm
It's not
picking.
gonna do anything though. Ooh, in the shade there's the big ones.
The shady area.
Yeah.
Are you eating or are you picking, Dad? Dad, are you eating or are you picking?
Eating and picking.
Why are you eating and picking? Ito, be. Marami dito, oh. Yung iba, ilalahat na lang to. Merong pang ano, mabilisan. Yung pang pick talaga. No? Amin na Macnil, oh. I pick a lot. Here, I pick a lot. I'll go find Marcus and Lola.
This is our lunch now.
This is our lunch. Gosh, this is our lunch, you guys. Not eating lunch. Blueberry is what we eat for lunch. Ay, are you... Who's that sneezing? Ah, ayan. Ay, ang dami niyan, be.
Yeah. I have a good eye.
Will they stay away yet?
No.
I'll go find Lola and Marcus.
I don't know why they would play it.
Where is Lola and Marcus? Where's Lola? Are you still picking Jersey?
Yes.
You do? They're very nice. Say hi to the vlog.
Look how much I got.
What?
Look how much I got.
Oh, na, is that Jersey?
This is all Jersey.
Wait, but there's big ones?
Yeah, me and Lola have been
Did you eat it?
scavenging in the back.
Oh. Hey Lola, hi. Hi to the vlog here.
We've been scavenging
Lola,
Hi!
ano ginagawa mo?
I'm picking
Ano?
blueberries.
blueberry.
Ay, ito, marami ditong sa baba.
I know, this is distracting
Yeah.
me.
I'm gonna eat
Malalaki
first.
ito eh. See?
Mm.
Oh, yeah.
Kaso parang umasim ang tiyan ko.
Ay, wag.
Yeah. Masarap,
Masarap, mama.
masarap nga pero
Bawal sa tiyan nyo.
ayaw na nga eh. Kasi tumikim ako ng
Huwag
dalawa.
na at baka sumakit sa lalo. Mag-ano ka na lang, pick ka na lang.
See, we've been getting so much.
Woohoo! Look at this.
We got way more than Kuya, right?
Oh, yeah. You guys are... Ooh.
Experts.
There's a lot here, oh.
I know, it's just like one vine. Wait, I know what I have to do.
Wait,
I'm,
ano
I'm
to?
grabbing
Yeah.
the entire vine.
No! No. Sayang yun.
I know, but I'm gonna take all the blue ones and then... Mom, check the bottom. There might be...
I
It
just
might
keep
be
on
like
eating,
skin
no?
on the bottom. There might...
Daddy said
Maybe-
this is our lunch, Daddy said.
This is so cheap.
This is our lunch.
It's so sad.
Okay. Punta mo na ako kay Lola para makita ni...
Lola, do you have more for me?
Yes, here.
Guys.
See? Ay!
Lola!
Ay, naku ba?
Whatever, we have a lot more than Kuya, right?
Okay.
Mom,
Habang ginagawa mo dyan, Lola?
Hindi na namimitas ng...
Look.
Ha?
Si Doña Norlita nasa kanyang asyenda.
Yeah,
Asyenda niya ng blueberries.
To be, yeah.
To be?
To be, yeah.
To be daw.
more blueberries.
To be.
To be. Oh, malalaki dito eh.
Ano to, mama? Hindi to matamis. Maasim to. Basta itong malalaki, maasim yan pag tikman nyo.
Kaya pala. Eh, maasim pala to be, kaya pala
Kaya malalaki. Ang maasim malalaki. Di ba
Well,
na?
we have a lot of small ones too, so that's good.
That's good enough.
Lero, ito ng
A lot of
jersey.
small ones.
Hindi to Jersey, ma. Elliot to.
No, this is Jersey.
Maasim.
Kaya pala.
This is...
Does it say Jersey?
It says Jersey back there.
Maasim pala to be. That's enough na. Doon tayo sa jersey.
This is Jersey.
Hindi, Elliot to. Halika na.
What do you mean?
pala malalaki yan, B.
Pag malalaki, maasim.
Kaya pala iniwan nila.
Lola, there's a lot of
Hindi,
small ones.
iba talaga ang ano
Lola,
niya.
there's small ones.
Ang size niya.
Ang size niya kapag yung...
Eh, ito ano to?
Ganun din. Basta nakikita niyo sa sign. Ah, baba. Go dun sa maliit, baba. Masarap din yan eh.
There's a lot of small ones.
Healthy man ang berries, you know.
Doon ako tumikim eh.
Oh, ah.
I have a lot of small ones at the mall.
Halika na. Mata. Maasim pala to, baba.
Maasim dito. Balik kayo dun sa ano. Tingnan mo, may watering system sila sa ilalim. Ama, can I have the ano mainit? Tapos palit ulit tayo mamaya para.
Look, Lola,
Maasim
get
nga
on
ba? It's maasim. Halika na. Maasim yan.
Doon tayo, balik tayo dun sa matamis.
Wala nga makuha na doon.
Doon sa dulo, doon tayo sa dulo.
Kaya
Baka sa...
pala naiiwan nila. Oh, malalaki oh. Wala na. Tinignan ko na doon. Wala.
Malalaki, masarap.
Maasim eh.
Balik tayo doon.
Lola, let's get some small.
Masarap din to sa yogurt eh.
Oh, hindi. Marami na nakuha si Marcos eh.
Masarap to sa yogurt.
Siguro 2 points na yan.
Hindi, ano na yan, weighed na yan.
Halika na.
Nabayad na, kumbaga.
Ah, nabayaran na yan?
Bayad na yan. Hindi na yan
Kahit
i-weigh.
punuin mo?
Aha, yan na yan.
Halika na ba?
Okay.
Where are we going now?
I
I wanna where?
wanna go somewhere with shade.
Okay, let's go with the shade.
Okay.
Dun kayo.
Let's
Just
go.
shade
Let's
doon,
walk all the way back.
Ayun, nandito sila.
Mainit talaga.
Ah, sige, doon kayo muna sa shade. Oh, doon.
Saan?
Let's go. Here. Pahinga muna.
Ah, maasim to.
Wag nga yan, maasim yan eh. Wag mo na anay sa tiyan.
Ay.
Sasakit pa siya nyo. Lamon ng lamon naman ako. Parang guaba.
Hindi masarap. Yung isa masarap. Maasim.
Ganito ang farmer. What? How much do you get? Half already?
More than half.
More than half.
Me and Dad have been harvesting.
Dito ka lang put more.
Ay, Asip, kain ka naman ng kain. Kumakain ka, Dan? Sarap ba? Sarap din, ano? Parang masarap pag may asin. No? Pwede mong ano to, ma, alugin mo sa asin, parang duhat.
Salika.
You want, say, go to the shady area. Give me that. We will pick. Me and Dad will pick.
Yung matamis wala na.
Bigay mo kay Lola kung gusto niya mag-pick. Gusto mo mag-pick, ma? Doon kayo sa shade kay. Magpipick kami ni Mark. We've been picking. Farmer look. Farmer style. Here's Kuya. Very patiently picking blueberries. Dalawang bucket kami. Okay naman din. Wala na kasing cherry, so blueberry season na lang naiwan, tapos ng strawberry season. So ano na lang, blueberry na lang pinik namin. Meron ding peaches, kaya lang we don't like peach. So blueberry were good. Ayan. Diba? Hawakan mo. At ako yung mag-roam around. Let's see how much na yung nakuha ni Kuya. Kung it's good enough. Madami ka nang napitas, Kuya?
Yeah.
Oh, Dad's fast. You know, Dad's ano. Almost done.
Yeah, because he's a farmer.
Because he's a farmer.
He came from the farm.
He came from the farm. He's used to it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll go find the two people. Gusto mo tong ano kuya? Hat? I'm gonna go in the shady area. Dad, diyan ka lang? Gusto mo tong hat? Hat ko? Ha? You're good na? Gusto mo to? Doon ako sa shady area. Habang nagpipik pa sila ng blueberries. Kami naman, hanapin ko na sina Marcos at si Lola. Kasi doon na sila sa shade, hindi na nila kaya yung init. They can't take it anymore. It's too hot for them. So yan, lahat yan, blueberries. Blueberries. Hanggang doon sa dulo, lahat blueberries. Si Macnil tsaka si Mark ang nagpipik. Matyaga sila. It's 90 degrees here in Michigan. Oh, handali. Kain muna ako ng ilan before I go to the shady area. See? Medyo malalaki rin siya. Malalaki. See? Malalaki to. Oh. Pinipik. Malaki. Hindi siya sabay-sabay eh. Ganyan. Okay. Hanapin ko sila. Ganyan ng blueberry trees. Hanapin natin si Lola at si Marcos. Ayan natin kung nasan sila. There you go. Andun sila sa shade. Sitting pretty. It's 90 degrees. Oh my God. Ang tiyaga nung dalawa? Ang tiyaga nung ni Mark tsaka ni Macnil. Oh, sarap dito. How's the blueberry skibberini?
What? That was very nice.
Maasim pala ito.
Masarap, gusto ko naman. Parang masarap kalugin sa...
Wait, they're not washed. I don't wanna.
Abin, itingan.
They're not
Pala
washed.
ano, naiiwan siya. Hindi gaano masarap.
Yeah, pero maganda siya pang ano. Pang
Panghalo sa mga...
bake.
Oo.
Ayan. Ayan, yung
Yung asyenda.
asyenda ni mama daw. Sa panaginip niya.
Sa panaginip.
Pero pag ano ka, farmer ka, ano, matyaga ka rin dapat early in the morning, gising ka na. No?
Oo.
May mga camper van sila, tignan nyo. Oh. May camper van sila. Ayan, camper van. What? Why? Oh, ay. Mamaya. Hindi. Pag nasa out tayo.
Pero nung mga panahon na malalaki yan, madami nagpupuntahan.
Ngayon naman ang ano niya, ma.
Eh, bakit maliliit?
Second week daw yata ang ano eh.
No, because we came late.
Yeah. Baka na-pick na yung iba.
Kapit na kasi ano na yan, hindi na yung healthy.
Someone's calling me. Someone's disturbing my peace.
Who is it?
Ano yan?
Wala. Just mamaya.
Namumula na tayo.
Mamaya itim na yan. Ngayon pula pa. Pag uwi natin, itim na ang itsura.
Bakit kaya? No? Isang araw lang.
Eh, ano, gulay natin yan eh. Ang